5 things you should know about acne treatment products. Hello and welcome to another video here on Health Hut. If this is your first time here and you want to know how to live a longer life and improve your health, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you don't miss out on anything. 1. Know what you buy. When it comes to acne treatment products, most people buy products based on the advertising they watch. Each person is different as well as skin, so before you buy acne treatment products, make sure you know everything about your skin. 2. Acne demand great deal of patience. You want to get rid of acne right away? Then buy this ABC product. Have you seen something familiar? Many times you have been enticed by those kind of ads, and I can guarantee 100% that they will disappoint you. 3. Never pop pimples. When you get acne and see your face in front of a mirror, do you hear those little sounds screaming to you, "Pop the pimples"? Do not listen to that, no matter how tempting it might be. By doing so, you just put yourself in long-term adversities. It will leave you scars, and removing scars left by your pop the pimples act could literally consume a lot of time and money. 4. Be careful with the side effect of acne treatment product. Be informed about your skin type and the acne treatment product you use. The easiest way to do so is to visit your doctor and ask him/her about the possibility of side effects of the acne treatment products you use. A few side effects that may occur are allergic reaction, respiratory tract irritation, flaking of the skin, redness and inflammation of the skin. To avoid this, you could use a natural acne treatment product that use herbs as the main ingredient. One ingredient you will consistently find in natural acne treatment products is tea tree oil, because tea tree oil kills bacteria. The point here is, before you use anything, do some research first. 5. Want to remove your acne scar and do it quickly and efficiently? Then you should consider trying acne laser scar treatment. I am not a doctor, so don't ask me about the procedure. You can just phone the free line number of close medical center and ask for more information. Why you should consider to use this option is because it is fast, no side effects and not much pain is involved. For more information like this and other ways to improve your health, feel free to subscribe. It is free.